Hi, I'm John Zulian. Quite by accident, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and we had a family business, and Dad asked me to come give him a hand, and 42 years later I'm still in the industry. At the moment I'm General Manager for Smith's Body Shops in South Australia. So we have 3 shops and grow with growth potential in rural markets wherever we have dealerships. I like the camaraderie and the people that I've met over the years. It's just an amazing family to be part of. I dislike that we don't get enough recognition from insurers and for the complexity of what we have to deal with every day. Who do I most admire? I probably admire some of the pioneers of our industry, guys that a bit like probably Basil Scogliotti from WA, from Geno's, the legacy that he's built and left behind to Aaron, and a lot of the OEM guys. Look, just it's been a hard slog for these guys growing up. When I was growing up back in the 80s, look, my admiration to these people that built what we have today. First car was a Ford Escort, European Escort. Current car I have is a Jeep SRT, and my baby is a 1969 Mustang GT convertible.